The sun's shining on the earth on this side from there, right? If this is 12 noon and there's the sun, and it does 360-degree turn every day, 24 hours, so it will always be facing this direction. And when it gets around, exactly 6 months later, you're facing the wrong way now. It makes a 360-degree turn. No matter where you're at, 360 degrees is always going to end in the same place. No matter where you're at around that sun, 360 degrees will end in the same exact place. So every January 1st and June 31st, we should flip 12 midnight to 12 noon. On the Copernican model, the heliocentric model that you all know is fact. The blood moon we just had. The sun set behind us, and you're looking in the sky at a full moon. If the sun is set behind you, that means the earth is in the way. On the Copernican model. The model that we use. The model and the scientists, the pseudoscientists, absolutely came out and said, oh, what's so special about the blood moon? Well, it's an occurrence that can't happen. Yeah. America. It happened. It's not it can't happen. It did happen. It's been happening forever. You know why it can happen? Because if it does happen, it means that their whole theory on the sun being at the center of the universe, our solar system, and the earth spinning around it is a total, complete piece of bullshit. That's why that moon that just happened last week can't happen. It happened. We have lunar eclipses when the sun is still up. If you could see the sun and the moon in the sky, what the hell's in the way? Because they're telling us that they're that far away. The moon's 237,000 miles away, and the sun's 93 million miles away. So if we could see them both in the sky, there's absolutely no way that we're in the way, because the earth is only 8,000 miles across. Diameter of 8,000 miles. That's it. 8,000 miles is the diameter of Earth. From this side to this side, 8,000 miles. 8,000 miles this way. All right? If you could see them in the sky, knowing that they're 237,000 miles away, and that's 93 million miles away, if I could see them in the sky, my little 8,000 mile across ball ain't in the fucking way. Sorry for my language. I do get a little hyped about it because you're asleep at the wheel. You're absolutely asleep at the wheel. If math can make the earth work, use it for yourself. If the math makes the earth spin and puts the sun in the center, go do your equations. Take a calculator. You don't even need a pencil and paper. Just take a calculator. You got your phone. Use the calculator on your phone and work it out. All right? Go up on the Manayunk wall and look and see how far away you can see. All right? A structure that you recognize. Go on Google Maps, right? Put a flag in where you're at and a flag what you see. See how far away from that it is. See how far away it is. See the distance. And then do the distance times 8 inches. And see how much curvature that you can't find. They showed us that picture of that ball, right? Wasn't no flat spots on it, bro. You're using that ball in your argument to tell me that I'm wrong about the earth being flat. But then you have to say, oh, well, it's flat here. It wasn't flat on the ball. On the picture, it's not flat. It's perfectly spherical. Perfect. They muddied the water up so much that your arguments are contradictory to your own argument. You throw 6 facts that contradict each other. And then if I point them out, you don't attack my evidence. You attack me. I'm just handing you the facts. I'm showing you the book that it came from. I'm giving you the person that said it. I'm telling you what they claim their thing actually does, what their theory does. That's all I'm doing. But they can't attack my investigation. You can't. You attack me. Tell me not to procreate. I should kill myself now. You know? I've had Catholics and Christians tell me to go kill myself. I should never procreate. Oh man, I wish you'd take a freaking bite out of that apple yourself, eh? Because you guys are a whole bag of freaking stupid. Whole bag of stupid. You know, in a time of universal deceit, telling the truth becomes a revolutionary act. Go outside. Look around. Use your God-given senses. Be good to one another. We're all we got. That's all we got. Because them Capitol Hill assholes are going to dump us and run. Absolutely. They got their walls around their cities. Cities. They got walls around their cities. We're stuck in a country. We're stuck in a money prison. And all money does is build a fence around you to prevent people like me from doing what I would normally do if it didn't cost anything to do it. I'd have been to the top of Everest. I'd have been to the bottom of the Marianas Trench in the middle of the Pacific Ocean if it was free. Everybody that knows me knows I'd have done it. Money's a prison. With no bars and no real existence. It's a prison of the mind. And we're all slaves to it. I.e., see you later, I gotta go to work.